To the N-Gage Grips EZ. They have two different ones. They have a little bit smaller one, 1.75, which is the ones I have, and they have a bigger one. So if you have gianter hands, you probably want to get the bigger one or the fatter ones. I like these a lot because it allows you to put your hand in a more neutral position. It's very comfortable. I've been very happy with them, and they just easily go on and off. You know, there's no, you know, you're not like installing with any tools, and you really can adjust them in all kinds of different directions. So for benching, I like to have my hands, because I have an issue with my elbows. So if I'm ever doing anything where my arms are like this or like this at the extremes, I have issues. The closer to neutral I am, the least likely I am to mess up my golfer's elbow, or is it golfer's elbow issue that I have. I actually had surgery on this one. So anytime I can get my grip to be more, let's see if this is, anytime I get it to be more, let me say like this, better. When I first started benching again, I had to have my hands like that, and it really caused some issues. So what this allows me to do is kind of have like a better grip. I can sort of go more closer to neutral, right? I'm not sure if that's the way that they were designed. I think they were designed also to help you adjust your joints this way and this way, because now if I bring them down, you can see it's like a line like that. It's going up, which is also more comfortable. You know, I don't know why you'd want to go the other way. I think that'd be terrible. But, you know, I like to have them actually like this on the up, you know, on this plane, but you can also have them like this as well, I think, and that would really help you as well. So I think they're just like, they're very comfortable. They get you into like a better position, you know, and all, you know, those little things as you get older are very helpful. When I was younger, I would have definitely not gotten something like this, but you know, whenever my son comes down here, they rip these things off and throw them around, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, little things like this really help us, you know, keep lifting and staying strong. And I'm really, really happy with them. So give you a closer look. This is what they look like. You can see these are the EZs. You know, and you can obviously use these all kinds of different bars. You know, they're not just made for this. I don't curl this bar because again, it actually destroys my elbow, but you could even use them on dumbbells if you wanted, you know, whatever you wanted. So yeah, pretty cool.